Hey YouTube, the latest Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 5G leak just verified some important details. Samsung Foldable Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are the two most highly anticipated smartphones of 2021. So the fact that there are so many conflicting rumors floating around at the moment is no surprise. But thanks to Sam Mobile's team, we now have our first concrete detail about these next generation of foldable devices. Well, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 storage and software details has been surfaced courtesy to Sam Mobiles, and also the processor is going to be the Snapdragon 888 chipset. May not have been completely confirmed yet, but its present inside the 2021 Z series is almost guaranteed considering the expected price point. Samsung chosen chipset will set next to 256 gigs of internal storage as standard inside the ultra premium Z Fold 3 5G per the information. That's the same setup as the current generation Fold 2. The smaller and the more affordable Z Flip 3 on the other hand will ship with 128 gigs of storage and support the microSD card is extremely unlikely, but the price of 256 gig model is said to be in the works. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which has a model number SMF926, and the Z Flip 3, which has a model number of F711, are going to be shipping with an Android 11 and the upcoming One UI 3.5 software pre-installed according to the report. The presence of One UI 3.5 suggests that we may not see these devices until the second half of this year, and Samsung has only just introduced the One UI 3.1 with the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, and it's yet to tackle down the compatible devices. One UI 3.5 will certainly bring some new software features. Over the past couple of years, Samsung has introduced its second iteration of One UI in the past for the Galaxy Note lineup, with the features of the Galaxy Note series still up in the air. The foldables are understandably the more appropriate devices to launch in the next One UI variant. With that being said, we will continue to keep your eyes on the ground and bring you information about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 2 as soon as we hear more. So do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.